really feel sorry for Thando Dlamoga. She doesn't deserve all of this. But anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know, the rest of the house is on by 9 p.m. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, we all know Naledi Aphiwe. She's known as a singer, a songwriter from Inanda, KwaZulu-Natal province. Guys, we know her as a Chris Brown's daughter. Last year, she did meet up with Chris Brown. So, guys, uSiyacela Dlamoga, Thando's husband, decided to go to Naledi Aphiwe's Facebook account to comment, to appreciate Naledi. Guys, this is what he has to say. Ingane enhle uNaledi Aphiwe. She did not even waste time, guys. One thing about Ama 2000, they will embarrass you. So this is what uNaledi commented, you know, responded to Siyacela Dlamoga. Ay ngeke mfana suka eduze kwami. And people started laughing, Siyacela, saying, hi, bo, Siyacela, bo, zaman lana kuNaledi, guys, knowing some even went far and said, uNaledi Aphiwe, she's not your type. So don't even think about. Guys, one thing about uSiyacela, guys, if he's not embarrassing uThando on national TV, he's making sure to embarrass uThando on social media. And people were saying, what's I husband, yaga Thando na ya ina mamenas. Guys, people were saying a lot of things. So, guys, I guess uNaledi, she's not interested uSiyacela, guys. uSiyacela, guys, is trying hard to be relevant. We are be famous, you know. We know that he's famous, obviously, because of his Lengane, but doesn't mean that people really care about him as much as they think. But there are people that really can go Siyacela, guys. I've seen this other event, people were really jumping for Siyacela, being happy to see him. So I guess, you know what, it was not a timing. Maybe he needs to try next door. You never know, he might be lucky. But anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.